Okay, let's get into how I bedazzled this Kirby Nintendo Switch case. I purchased this from Best Buy. So we're gonna need some supplies, and that is liquid fusion glue, a wax pencil, a glue bottle holder, and a nail file today. So I'm gonna start off with the details on the Kirby case. I'm gonna go in with the outline. I'm using 2M rhinestones for the mouth and 3M rhinestones. And then for the eyes, I'm gonna use 3M to 5M and 2M as filler stones. I like to outline it first so that this is set in place and is untouched for when we do like the pink to do the entire case. And then I'm going to do the cheeks with a clear transparent rhinestone because I didn't have a color that quite matched this. So I feel like clear was the safest. I just want to mention that you definitely need to sand your Nintendo case. I did do this off camera with the nail file. Just be sure to prep before you start rhinestoning. It's very important. Here I'm just adding the clear rhinestones to the cheeks and to the mouth because of the colors. I didn't really want it to clash with the pink of the entire Nintendo case, so I feel like clear was the safest. But I'm just going to go in with that with some clear rhinestones, and I'm going to use a few filler stones. I believe it was 3M. And you see, you can still see the colors with the clear rhinestones. I feel like they're the best when you have like multiple colors and you just don't have the rhinestones. Just go with clear and I promise you it'll work out. Next, I'm just going to start my foundation line. I am going to use the honeycomb method with this one as well. I did use the honeycomb method with the back of this Nintendo case. I do have that in another video, just a little bit more details on the honeycomb method. You want this line, your foundation line, to be straight as possible because you don't want it to become crooked towards the end or a little wonky or yeah, you just want this line to be as straight as possible. Then I'm just going in with the honeycomb method where you place a rhinestone in between two rhinestones. And I'm going to do this until I get closer towards the actual face on the Nintendo case. Now, when you're doing a honeycomb method and you do have like some type of design where you have to go back and do a filler stone, I like to leave a little space around the design, like how you see the little spaces in between like the eyes and the mouth and the little cheeks, just so that when you go back you have enough space for a rhinestone to go there, if it's a 4M, a 3M, or a 2M. But you definitely want to just leave a little space. And here I'm just going to connect my lines with the other side to make sure that the honeycomb method is still in place. I did use some filler stones and that's totally okay. I used some 2M stones, and I'm going to continue to do this all around the Nintendo case using smaller stones as needed. And this is the finished product. I love how it came out. Let me know what you think in the comments. And once again, thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe.